I'm just gonna have one sip. Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make homemade Starbucks Caramel Macchiato. It's a lot easier than you think. So let's get going here. So here's what we need. Obviously, we need caramel syrup. Okay, you can just get any types of caramel syrup. Personally, I like the Torani one. It's called Pure Made. I think it's 100% sugar. I think the sugar instead of syrup there, and also vanilla extract and sugar. Okay. Caramel macchiato means you're gonna mark it with the caramel. So pretty much vanilla ice latte or vanilla latte, and then you're gonna put the caramel sauce on the top. I know if you go to Starbucks, if you order caramel macchiato iced, you're gonna give you ice vanilla latte, and then sometimes you can whip whipped cream on the top as well, and then put the caramel sauce on the top. They're delicious, by the way. I don't have a whipped cream today, but let's make a hot one today. So let's make the vanilla syrup first, and then let's make a vanilla latte. I'm gonna add some caramel on the top. So we're gonna start with, we have to make the vanilla syrup. I know some of you already have it. If not, I'm gonna show you how to make homemade. Only thing you have to remember is 1:1 or 2:1. Okay. Personally, I like the 1:1 ratio, which means 1 part sugar and 1 part hot water. And you're gonna mix it. And then I'm gonna add some little bit of vanilla extract, tiny bit. So this is just a simple sugar syrup. So I mean, this one you could make anything, right? Just simple, sweet, simple syrup. Make sure to stir it well. Okay, extract. Okay, I'm just gonna eyeball it. I mean, if you want to be precise, you could do that as well, but yeah, just tiny bit. Okay. So now this is our simple syrup. I didn't try to do the latte art because I'm gonna mark it with the caramel syrup on the top here. So check this out. I'm just gonna add some little bit of drizzle, okay, like so. Not too much. I mean, if you wanna put more caramel, do it, but I know some people don't like too sweet either. Just mark it on the top, just like so. And then I'm just gonna stir it, just mix it. So we have this vanilla base syrup, so vanilla latte with caramel to mark it. So this is the caramel macchiato. So let's give it a try here. I'm just gonna have one sip. Cheers, guys. Wow, this is so good. Okay. Obviously, having a good espresso helps, but actually not really, right? I think a mediocre espresso is fine too, because you're gonna add milk, vanilla syrup, and they're gonna mark it with caramel. So yeah, you don't have to have high quality coffee for this, but I mean, it's nice to have high quality espresso. But anyway, as you can see, extremely simple recipe. Just a sugar, hot water, vanilla extract, and they're gonna have a very nice vanilla base as well. I mean, if you want to do that with hazelnut, same thing. Okay. You don't have to buy expensive caramel syrup like this. You can just make it at home, homemade. So anyway, I hope this video helps, and I'm going to see you guys next time.